What's up, YouTube? It is the real Sam Montes here, and today I'm gonna be taking you guys through a crazy chest workout with my friend Brandon. You know, PR Tank in the building, and yeah, I'm gonna take my pre-workout meal right now. Well, eat my pre-workout meal right now, and I'll take you out for the ride. Peace. Alright guys, we are back. We have some Quaker Oats maple brown sugar oatmeal with some Iso Whey vanilla protein powder. I'm gonna take a half a scoop of the vanilla whey protein powder with a packet of oats, probably around 300 calories for this pre-workout meal. I ate it earlier in the day, but I didn't record it. I am trying to diet down, well, get lean. So I'm gonna make this, get ready for the gym, and I'll see y'all when I get to the gym. What's up, YouTube? We are at the gym right now. I just got here. I'm waiting for Brandon to come. We are working out with someone else also. I'll let him introduce himself when he's done warming up. And let's do this.
All right, let's go. Come on. See the form.
Lightweight, baby. Fucking lightweight, y'all. Oh, man. Yo, you cameraman.
Do your signature.
I don't got my shirt off.
Say it. You gotta say it. You gotta go woo. Say it.
So what?
What you do? There you go. There you go. All right. It's warm up number 2. We didn't even start yet. Of course, we're waiting for Mr. Brandon. There you go. See that? Very good. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, man.
Perfect.
Lightweight.
It's only warm up number 2.
All right, guys. Brandon has arrived. He'll be coming in now. Saw his car. And,
Yeah, we gotta pull out the red carpet.
we gotta pull out the red carpet just for him, you know? Because, you know, what you called him? Was it like Instagram guy? Huh? Yeah.
We got so many.
Yeah. So we'll wait for him to come in, and then we'll continue our workout. We'll take a powerlifting rest real quick, and we'll continue. Everything natural. We'll let everything record. It's recording now. All right, guys, let's do this. What is this? 25?
Yeah. The 25 extra.
Oh.
Warm up number 3.
Up.
One. There you go. Come on. Come on. One more.
Shit, y'all. Look who's coming. Look who's coming. Look who's coming. Big dog. Red carpet. Look at Brandon. Oh, 5%? Uh-oh. All right, look. Brandon's in here. Came late. Oh, cameraman. Cameraman. Yeah, cameraman. He did. I leave everything raw. See, look. We're in here. Brandon, how you feeling today?
Huh?
You feeling good?
Yeah, I feel good.
You feel good? Yeah, I'm feeling good. I mean, barely ate today. Huh? We just got here probably 15, 20 minutes ago. Alright. There we go. Oh. That's easy. Yeah.
We're about to do 100.
100? There we go. Mr. Red Carpet.
Alright.
Everything's gonna be in the video. Alright. If this was real gym, this would be what? This would be fucking what? 200 pounds? If it was a real gym? Yeah, it's not a real gym, so. It's a failure. Huh? Yeah. Let's see.
One.
Oh man, that's my first time doing flat 45 and a 45, yo.
Go ahead, big dog.
Come on. Come on. Record everything. This gotta be in the video because it's a PR. It's PR for him. Come on.
Ready? Come on.
Come on. That is light work, yo. Come on. Oh, rocket. There's a rocket, yo. Brandon, rocket alert.
Come on.
Push. Push. There you go. Yo. Rocket alert. Sheesh. How you feeling? How you feeling, cameraman? He doesn't want his name to be announced, but he's just cameraman.
So I just jump right into it?
Yeah, you already warmed up with 45.
How many you want? Wait on you, huh? How many you want?
I don't know. Do it for the camera. For the camera, for YouTube. Come on. Come on. This is lightweight. Yeah, it's lightweight. Look at this, yo. Red carpet. Mr. Red Carpet right here. I can't go past 2 plates. I can't. That's too heavy. Damn. Rocket alert. Come on, Brandon. Guys, today I play finish. There's so much fucking rockets, yo. Like, what? Damn. Right, Brandon? Where the rockets at?
Where is it?
Oh, it's my turn. Yo, 2 plates again?
Yeah. Come on.
There's no music because I'm recording, so I'm gonna need a spot, yo. Oh, man. For YouTube. Yeah. My spotters.
This is YouTube right. He doesn't know it yet.
My spotter's talking, yo. Oh, I gotta do it for Rocky, yo. Come on, man. It's getting cold. Yeah, bitch. Big bitch. Big bitch. I gotta blur all these out. Man. Fuck it. You know what? Fuck it. It's YouTube.
Who's that lady?
Oh, my spotter, yo. I'm here all day.
This is girl.
Yo, you're gonna be here all day, man.
Yeah.
Yo, by the time he's done talking, it's gonna be tomorrow. Everything in the video. I'm
This is my other boy, Earl. Okay.
Come on, spotter. This is a rocket, huh? It's a rocket. Cheers! Oh my god. Oh my.
What the hell is wrong? Let's go.
Whoop. Ready?
One more. Go. Another one. Go. Another one. Yeah. Go. Yep.
Oh, man. Oh shit. You know, my motivator. What are you putting on? 5s? Yo, this is so far, bro. For this one clip, it's 4 minutes long, yo. Come on. Nah, Brandon's there, yo. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Push. There you go. Come on.
I got it.
Alright.
I got it.
Mr. Red Carpet, yo. I said up, he brought it up for the Rockets.
Red carpet?
Yeah, Red Carpet? New name.
Oh, me?
Yeah. Guys, his new name is Red Carpet. Shit. I love Rockets, yo.
Go, 10.
10.
There's nothing going on. Oh, my God, serious. Like, yeah, wow.
Stop recording. Fuck.
We get an angle so you can get an angle. Perfect angle of both of them. See?
The fucking Lunk alarm just went off in fucking Planet Fitness. How loud I was, yo. That's just crazy. Fuck, man. I was that loud, man. That shit was on. That shit was on for a good like fucking 2 minutes, man. Fuck Planet Fitness, yo. Shit, but it's the only thing I got. So, oh, Brandon. But yeah, so this shit's fucking crazy, yo. That's the Lunk alarm. Yo, Brandon, fuck Lunk alarm, right? Fuck Planet Fitness and fuck Lunk alarm? Yeah, man, we getting big out here. Pre-God status, yo.
He said Team Rocket. Wait, baby. He's a fucking monster, bro.
You look like a robot doing it. You heard that growl? Fucking monster, bro. Look at him.
Fucking monster, yo.
Yo, you want to do 2 plays? You think I got 2 plays in me? Remember, I haven't eaten. Yo, I started low carb diet today, yo. Jeez, look at Brandon. Easily 70 plates. I said 70 plates. 70 dumbbells. Easy, easy. That was easy.
Baby food.
Baby food. Yeah. Wait, you got 30 and 25. You got 30 and 25.
30 and 25.
I caught that again, bro. 75. Let's go, Brand. Ah, look, that's baby food for him, bro. We were at the other gym. He did 80 pounds of dumbbells. Like 80 pound dumbbell. There you go. Now he's just showing off. This kid's showing off now. Red carpet showing off. There's a rocket, that's why. Oh!
Oh, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Stop.
We're working on this, his wife. He loves her. 75. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, Sam. Come on. The world's watching, Sam.
Yep.
There you go. There you go.
You know what's the best pump?
No.
A penis pump.
No.
Brandon getting serious. Look at him. Got 75 pounds
How
again.
many you want?
Give me 15.
15?
Yeah. The world is watching. Like come here and see. Come on, the world is watching. Yeah, this nigga's a monster, bro. He natty too. Natural, all natural. Look at him. Easy, red carpet, easy. You got that shit down pat, yo. There we go. Explode.
Don't edit none of my videos, bro. Everything I said, keep it.
Yeah. So.
It's the truth.
I got that.
A little PG-13 ain't gonna hurt nobody. See that? Come on, let's go. Let's go, one more. One more. There you go. There you go. He almost died.
You know what Rich says? Go until failure.
Fuck. Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Bro, should set this shit man. Keep the same way right here.
I almost died.
That last one.
Huh?
That one right there is for it's classic.
Classic.
That last set you did right now. Listen, watch it.
Alright, flash.
Flash. Alright.